Good morning. There's a yellow alert for today. You can see the sign already down there. And they have placed some signs on the left side for flooding of this area. Well, to be honest, since what happened in Valencia, they have put out these signs for flooding about every single time. They expect a little bit more than usual amount of rain here in Benidorm. And because it's almost all concrete around, except for a few sewer pits like down there, there isn't any way for the water to go except for stay on the road and just head towards the beach. This area down here is mostly heavily impacted by the rain. But for now, while it is still dry, I thought it's nice to just head out, have a walk around, a little bit of Levante Beach, see the atmosphere, what people are doing right now before it really starts later on. Around 12, it's expected to be around 25 millimeters of rain here in this area. Some people going for some breakfast down there. Others are waiting for a bus. They could head towards La Marina, the indoor shopping center in Finestrat. It's been an excellent idea to explore today. One of those things. The indoor market, I think, isn't big enough. And it's expected to be 1 hour of heavy rain between 12 and 1 p.m. And then a little bit of a drizzle the rest of the afternoon until around 4. Currently it's 18 degrees. It's expected to be around 21 once the rain clears at 4. Sun should come back then as well. And tomorrow it will just paradise again. But first we have to survive this day. And it will do. And if the rain's coming, that's expected. It will look bad later on, really bad. But it'll be all gone within a few within an hour, I expect. But nonetheless, it will be impressive what will happen. Because this city just isn't built for rain. They put up some signs, watch it, there's some flooding. That probably will happen in most areas, and that's it. Love the skyline though, especially with those dark clouds hanging over it. Really looks impressive. Bars being prepared outside here. Didn't expect to take the effort. There still could be some people that want to sit outside with this weather. Well, this one right now, because it's perfectly fine, right? 18 degrees without any rain currently. The lifeguard just arrived for its shift on the beach. I'm hoping his shift ends before 12 because no one will be crazy enough to swim in the ocean if you could have a swim right down here on the promenade later on. Oh yeah guys, and by the way, if you enjoy this video or me having just a walk around through Benidorm, please don't forget hitting the like, really does help. the videos out there. Thank you. Yeah, it rained as well a little bit yesterday evening, I believe, or this night. Yesterday was an absolute beautiful day. The lifeguards, and it seems like they're continuing on the replacement of the lights on the beach for the final area they have to still do.
Yeah, I think so.
Even though
The bar's being a bit busy already down here at this end. Yeah, so it's second hand season. It is not quite uncommon to see people in bars at 10 already, 10 in the morning. Right down here they have cleared already a little path for the water that comes from the mountains to head towards the beach. Goes all the way under through the city. I believe right next to the new Centro de Salud around the Melia Hotel. That's where it's going underground. And then continues to travel underground all the way through here. Where it comes out down here. They have to go somewhere with the water from the mountains and all. Especially today, since it's expected that the rain will come from that direction like so. Land inwards. So yeah. We'll see what will happen today with this weather. And meanwhile, life as normal continues. They'll clean up, bars will be open, and in the bars it won't rain at least. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up, and I hope I can have the chance to make a video this afternoon of how the rain will be, how heavy it'll be, because it always is quite impressive when it rains here in Benidorm.